welcome to the Benzino YouTube channel. Well, this is going to be a short vlog, so it's going to be part 2, and today I'm going to be giving you a little update on what's been going on since the last video post. So, talking with the dealership and multiple part stores, found out that the gears that I need, which is a sun gear, which is the main output shaft going to the rear of the car, and the output shaft going to the front of the car between the transfer case and the front carrier for the front wheels. Those gears can't be bought here in America. The dealership will not sell the gears. None of the transmission shops have any sourcing for the gear. Pretty much what I've been told by all the transmission shops is there are not really any local transmission places that will rebuild my transmission or even attempt to rebuild the transmission. It's either replace the transmission or do the work myself is my option. So after spending a lot of hours researching, I found that there's 2 places I can get the gears from that have them in stock. One place is in the Ukraine and the other one is in Poland. So my next step is going to be disassembling the rear drive shaft and the transfer case from the car so I can get it open, because since then I done found out that there's a common failure on these transmissions for these vehicles. If you have the E550 or the E63 AMGs, use the same transmission, and if I'm not mistaken, the C series use the same transmission. The transmission is the one that has the transfer case attached to the rear of the transmission. So by my understanding, the most common failure in these cars is the bearings and the races inside the transfer case. They'll start pitting. If you have one of these cars with the 4matic and you're starting to hear like excessive road noise or swooshing noise, more than likely you have bad bearings or race inside the transfer case. By my understanding, a lot of people have spent time replacing their brake pads, rotors, calipers, tires, and the noise is still there. And upon opening up the transfer case, you would find that the bearings and the race or just the bearings is the problem. There's a company that sells the bearings and the races. I think the company is called Temkin, which is going to be the company I'm going to be using to get the bearings that I'm going to need for my car, because I figure if I'm going to take it all apart, I might as well rebuild everything in it. So once I do all of that, I'll give you guys an update and let you know what happens. Tomorrow I'll be going through the process of tearing everything down so I can get to it. So that's really all I have for the update for today. Thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. I'll keep you guys updated on the progress. And if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel for updates and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I put up any new videos. Peace out.